I've bought and tested these small bread makers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you love the smell of fresh bread wafting through your home, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through my top 5 picks, focusing on real experiences, pros, cons, and why these machines could be your new best friend in the kitchen. Product number 1, Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. When I first got my hands on the Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine, I was excited to dive into the world of homemade bread. As someone who loves the aroma of freshly baked bread but has limited time, this machine seemed like a perfect fit. My first experience was surprisingly seamless. I just added the ingredients, selected the desired loaf size and crust color, and let the machine do its magic. The stainless steel exterior gave it a modern touch, and the compact design meant it fit nicely on my countertop without taking up too much space. After a couple of hours, I was greeted with a golden brown loaf that tasted just as good as it looked. In terms of pros, the 12 menu options allow for a variety of baked goods, from basic white bread to more adventurous options like pizza dough. The ability to choose between 3 crust colors and loaf sizes also adds a nice personal touch to your baking experience. The LCD display is user-friendly, providing a countdown timer and current cycle info, which I found incredibly convenient. On the flip side, the machine's weight, 10.8 pounds, makes it a bit less portable if you want to store it away after use. Additionally, while the baking pan is removable for easy cleaning, it can be a tad tricky to fit back in if you're not careful. So, why should you buy the Cuisinart Bread Maker? If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and stylish bread maker that offers a range of options, this model is a fantastic choice. Its compact design and user-friendly functions make it suitable for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Overall, it's a solid investment for anyone who loves the taste of homemade bread without the hassle. Product number 2, Aliexpress 2LB Bread Maker Machine. The Aliexpress Bread Maker caught my eye with its 17 customizable programs. As someone who loves experimenting with different types of bread, I was eager to see how it performed. Right out of the box, I appreciated how easy it was to set up. I simply added my ingredients, selected the desired program, and let the machine handle the rest. The 2-liter capacity was perfect for my family, allowing us to enjoy a fresh loaf without worrying about running out. My first attempt was a classic white bread, and I was thrilled with the result: a soft, fluffy interior and a perfectly baked crust. One of the standout features for me was the 600-watt motor, which delivered consistent results every time. The low noise level was a pleasant surprise, allowing me to bake bread even when everyone was asleep. The 15-hour delay timer was a game changer. I set it the night before and woke up to the warm smell of freshly baked bread. However, I did encounter a minor issue with the non-stick pan. While it made cleanup easy, I found that some doughs stuck a bit, requiring a little extra effort to remove. So, why buy the Aliexpress Bread Maker? If you're a beginner or just looking for a reliable machine that can deliver consistent, high-quality bread, this is an excellent choice. The abundance of customizable programs means you can experiment with various recipes, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Product number 3, Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B. When I first tried the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B, I was immediately drawn to its sleek black design, which looked great on my countertop. I've always been a fan of artisan bread, so I was excited to see if this machine could help me replicate that at home. The first time I used it, I followed a standard white bread recipe, and the process was incredibly straightforward. With 19 programmed settings, I had plenty of options at my disposal. I selected the basic white bread option and watched as the machine mixed, kneaded, and baked the dough. To my delight, the bread emerged with a beautiful crust and a soft, airy texture. The 15-hour delay timer is a feature I found especially useful. I could set it before heading to bed and wake up to fresh bread. The keep warm function also ensured that the bread stayed at the perfect temperature for a while after baking. However, I did notice that the machine can be a bit noisy during the kneading process, which might not be ideal if you're sensitive to sound. Additionally, while it can bake up to a 2-pound loaf, larger loaves sometimes required longer baking times than the machine suggested. So why should you consider the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B? If you're looking for an affordable bread maker that offers versatility and ease of use, this machine is a solid investment. Its programmable settings allow for a variety of bread types, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned bakers. Product number 4, Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker. I was intrigued to test the Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker mainly due to its affordability and reputation as a trustworthy brand. Right out of the box, I noticed how lightweight it was, making it easy to move around my kitchen. The first bread I made was a simple gluten-free loaf, and I was pleasantly surprised at how well it performed. The machine automatically mixed, kneaded, and baked the bread perfectly, creating a nice crust while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. One of the standout features was the Express Bake setting, which allowed me to bake bread in less than 90 minutes. This was a lifesaver on days when I needed fresh bread in a hurry. The 14 settings also offered a nice variety, allowing me to experiment with different doughs and even jams. However, I did find that the non-stick coating on the baking pan wasn't as effective as I hoped. Some doughs stuck a little, requiring extra care during cleanup. So why buy the Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker? If you're looking for an affordable, straightforward option that delivers solid results, this machine is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants to dip their toes into bread making without a hefty investment, and its variety of settings makes it versatile enough for different baking needs. Product number 5, Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M. I was excited to try the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M, especially given its mint color, which added a fun pop to my kitchen. As I unpacked it, I felt a sense of anticipation. How would this machine compare to its siblings? The first bread I baked was a hearty whole wheat loaf, and I was impressed with how easily it mixed and kneaded the dough. The 19 programmed settings made it easy to switch between different types of bread, including pizza dough and gluten-free options. One feature I particularly appreciated was the 15-hour delay timer. I set it before heading to bed and woke up to the enticing smell of fresh bread. The machine's keep warm function kept the bread at the perfect temperature for a while, which was a nice touch. However, I did notice that the machine could be a bit large. It took up considerable counter space. Additionally, while the baking pan is removable for cleanup, I found that it could be a little tricky to reinsert properly after washing. So why should you consider the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M? If you're looking for a stylish, versatile bread maker that can handle a range of recipes, this model is a fantastic option. It's user-friendly and perfect for anyone who wants to make fresh bread at home without hassle. After testing these top 5 small bread makers, I can confidently say that each one has its unique strengths. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned pro, there's a perfect fit for your needs. Fresh homemade bread is just a machine away, so why not give one of these a try? Happy baking!